Wow. This one paddles good. Wow. I'm really enjoying the paddle of this boat. Hey guys, thank you for tuning into MooMoo Outdoors. I'm back out here at Lodi Lake again, and I'm doing another kayak demo and review. Today we have a Crescent Kayak LiteTackle. Crescent Kayak is not well-known kayak company. However, I hear so much good stuff about this kayak. Let's get it unloaded and take a look at what we got. So this is a Crescent Kayak LiteTackle. This kayak is 12 feet 4 inches long and 34 inches wide, and it weighs about 75 pounds. And starting from the bow, it's got the solid handle right there, and it's got a huge front hatch. And you got a huge storage area. You can put your fishing rods in there and so much stuff. This is one of the largest front hatch I've seen on a kayak. And coming here, you got your adjustable footrest. And we got a gear track. This is a Kayak gear track on either side. And here you got your little pouch for your pliers, tackles, whatnot on either side. And the handle on the side. And back here you got a huge tank well along with the gear tracks here. Back here you got two handles and a drain plug. And let's flip this over, take a look at the hull design. So hull design is a little bit unique on this boat. It's got the kind of rocker profile, and starting from the front keel, the keel goes all the way to the back. Interesting design. What I heard was that because of this long keel, it provides really good traction even without the rudder, and also it paddles really well. And for the seat, you got this lawn chair style seat. Basically goes into the grooves right there, and you simply strap it down using this strap right here. And the backrest can be adjusted with using this strap. Alright, there you have it. Adjust my foot peg. Alright, it's a little windy out here today. going to paddle around for about 10-15 minutes first. I paddled this kayak for about 20 minutes now, and I am actually very impressed because of how well it paddles. I'm not saying this is one of the best paddling kayak, but for this boat being of 34 inches wide, it paddles really good. And I dare to say this paddle is better than Moken 12.5. Even though Moken is slightly longer, a few inches longer, and 2 inches narrower, I feel like this boat paddles better. Somehow. Maybe because of the hull design, the long keel, I don't know. And since it's a 34 inches wide, standability is no issue. Standing and sitting back down would be better if the seat was a little bit higher, but it doesn't have the adjustable height. It's got a one position, but if you add some padding on the top, it will make standing up much easier. As far as the tracking wise, it's pretty decent. I want to say Moken actually tracks a little bit better, but at the same time, it's got enough amount of tracking, and it's got maneuverability. It's really easy to control this kayak. Typically, when you're a beginner, you kind of wanna go with the really good tracking kayak, because your strokes are not even. Kayak tends to veer to the one side, but once you get a hang of it, something that has a little bit less traction can be more enjoyable to paddle because you have more control over the kayak. My paddle kayak, which is 12 foot long and 28 inches wide, it tracks phenomenal. I mean, it just goes straight. At the same time, if I wanted to turn, it's pretty hard to turn. Couple of strokes, you are at 180. That's why this is really fun boat to paddle. My paddle kayak is kind of made for distance. You know, you want to travel long distance, you know, just in straight line. It's good. I'm mostly offshore guy, so that's what I like. If I want to go to my fishing ground, which is a mile, 2 miles away, you know, I just want to go straight without putting a lot of effort into it. But a casual paddling in a lake, kayak like this, is actually, I think it's more fun. One of the things I like about this kayak is how it's got an open clean deck. Having a center console is great to have, you know, storage area, but I really like the simple design and an open deck, especially if you are a fly fisherman. You got all this open space, and this boat does not come with the molded rod holders like most fishing kayaks do. However, it does come with the tracks. You can easily install a rod holder onto the gear track. So the design of it is really simple and clean, and I'm a huge fan of that. And one downside I want to say about this kayak is it's not rotor ready. So if you want to install a rotor, you have to do some modification. And I'm not even sure if it's entirely possible. I think it's possible.
Yeah, I think it would be possible. It'd definitely take some customization, but we've ran tubing before, so it would be something where you'd replace these with something that could either slide or that you would put a tow control on. You'd run tubing through here, have it come out the back. It looks like you might be able to have it come out right here, and then you just have to design something for a pull up and a pull down for the rudder, and you'd have to have some sort of bracket to attach it to here. And I think that would be the harder part, but it would be doable.
Okay, so it will be doable. And he also showed me a little secret.
Yeah, these have a little sneaky spot that some people don't know about. You actually have quite a bit of space back here.
What?
It's a deep pocket, and so you could either hide your stuff back there, store your stuff. You also have your zipper pocket here. If you need to get into anything, you just pop these off and get into it.
Yeah. But in general, if you are fishing in a lake or even out in the ocean, if you are jigging for rockfish, linka, you're not really going to need a rudder much. The rotor actually gives you extra control. It's nice to have, but it's not necessity. However, if you are trolling with downrigger, with the diver, with the big weight, you will need a rotor. Otherwise, you are almost exclusively paddling on one side to go straight. Another great all-around kayak that you should consider if you're looking for that one kayak does everything. So like I said before, I'll be doing a lot more kayak demos and reviews in the future. If there's a kayak that you guys want me to do a review, please comment down below. And I will be doing some of the new hobbies, the PA 360, and also the Vibe pedal drive kayak, which is coming out pretty soon. So I'm really excited to try those two, as well as the kick-up fins. I really want to test out the kick-up fins, how well they work for 2020 models. If you want more information of this kayak, please click on the link below in the description. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more, and go outside and enjoy the outdoors.